What's good, YouTube? So I'm back with another video. We in the garage with it today. As you can see on the last vid, we went ahead and installed this beautiful carbon fiber trunk, but found out that it came with the crack. Sadly, so I'm in the process right now emailing to find out how I'm going to go about this as far as getting a refund or getting a replacement. If I'm forced to keep it, I'm honestly not going to be too mad, but considering it's just a small issue, like I'll show you one more time. As you can see right here, this is the issue right here. It's small cracks inside of the finish. It can be fixed just by, I think I've seen people send it down and then they just put some more resin on there and stuff like that. But I mean, that defeats the purpose. I paid this much money for it. I wanted to come how it's supposed to come. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, lay out these parts. I've already opened it earlier and I looked at one just to see the quality. This is how it comes packaged. It comes packaged just like this. Don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna go ahead and lay all of the parts out on this box right here. All right, so now we got all of the parts out. They actually do come labeled, and I think on this there's actually numbers from what I've seen other people install to where these actually go. So they made it pretty simple. I just went in my room and got the supply of hardware right here, being these bolts, nuts, and washers. Now I'm gonna go ahead and actually start unpackaging these things and get these on here in the numerical order, which they are. So we got the main piece. We got the main piece right here. It is not numbered like I usually see in the videos. I have it numbered. So we're just gonna have to figure this out, which piece goes where. This is piece number 1. So I'm finna just, I guess, try to put it in order and see how it goes. So yeah, let's see. If they have to only go in certain spots. That's what I'm thinking. They each are designed to only go in specific spots. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. We're back. I don't know where we left off. I was having some issues with the GoPro, but last time I think we were here, we had everything out here out in numerical order. But on the actual this piece of the diffuser, they usually come with number telling which piece goes to where. So I had to kind of figure it out. Not really so far. It's only just been 1, 2, 3, and I'm assuming 4 is gonna go right here. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and put this last one on. And it's also getting dark. I've been taking quite a long time with this. Yeah, and I don't really have the best lighting in this garage, bro. I gotta get like a light bar or something. But in due time, man. I'm still in the process of even just getting all my tools together. Like I said, I'm still new to this. I'm an intro level car enthusiast with a not so entry level car, but it is my dream car. You know the story. So yeah, I'm actually getting my tool arsenal. Been buying the Ryobi brand. They're actually pretty good for the what I would say best bang for your buck quality. Anywho, we're gonna go ahead and put this piece on. I'm actually not gonna record that. When I put this one on, I will come back and show how the whole thing looks, and then I'll figure out what we have to do with this. Bro, it gets dark so freaking early here now, bro. Like it's insane. Like look how dark it is out here. I shit you not. It's only, well, it's 6 o'clock now. When I started, it was 5. But yeah, anywho, so we finally got this one piece together right here, and this is how it looks. This might be thumbnail material right here. Don't know, can't tell. Anywho, but yeah, we finally got this together, and just to get the vision, it'll be something like that. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and record some video. We're gonna go ahead and actually put together the other pieces, and before we go ahead and start drilling, and I can put everything in. Honestly, I possibly should go ahead and trying to put this one on, but I'm not gonna do this by myself until I get my homeboys. We finna open up 5 and 6. 5 and 6, yes sir. Something funny I just noticed, so all of these pieces were not labeled to correspond where they go, but actually the side fins are. Like this one was package number 5, and this has the number 5 sticker right here. That's fucking hilarious. Not gonna lie, it got pretty dark, but right here we have every single thing together. Right here we have we got the left side fin. Well, yeah, the left side fin right here, and then the right one right there. We got everything put together. J3 ain't here yet to help me out, and then it got pretty dark, so I'm gonna just wait till it gets light to actually mount this up and drill underneath, because I don't want to drill multiple holes or mess up anything. So we're just gonna go ahead and wait until it is daytime. It is daytime, and J3 is still not here to help me. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime is to go ahead and apply some of this pinstriping. We're gonna be making it white. As you can see, I did one piece right here. So I'm gonna see how this looks. I'm really only going to do these edges first, and then once I mount it onto the car, I'm gonna see how it looks. But yeah, in the meantime, we're gonna be doing this right here. I'm not gonna lie, this is going to be a wee bit tedious, and considering it is extremely hot outside. All right, y'all boys, we finally got this finished up, and honestly, it looks pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie, but I can't wait to actually put this on the car. The time we put it in the car, it's probably gonna be nighttime again, so I'm gonna have to drive somewhere to get some shots of it in the light. But bro, this is the car. Well, J3 is still not here, and somebody just invited me to go take some car pictures, so that's exactly what I'm finna do. By the time I get back, it'll probably be dark yet again, so I might actually end up, if he comes over later tonight, I might end up just thugging out, doing it in the dark and setting up some lights so I can actually see what I'm doing. Anywho, peep the cold start. That shit is crazy, bro. But yeah, all right, finna go ahead and get on the road. You know what's crazy? I never really drive this car inside sports mode unless like I'm doing a pool for real. So, but anywho, with that said, we finna go ahead and probably get like a little mini pool when we merging on to the to 95, man. We do just a mini pool, bro. I'm not doing no crazy shit today. All right, y'all boys, we done pulled up to the spot right now, linked up with a pretty cool person right here, taking some car pictures right now. Look at this, look at it. Well, it looks kind of distant right here, but beautiful view right here. I never even knew about this spot whole time I'm from here, but go check out his Mustang right here. As you can see, we got the white. Not too many people with the white. The man's on a tire. He's on a tire. You can see he himself already has the street Aero Diffuser with the boiler exhaust. This thing is insane, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I've never really hung out with, I've never really seen people with the big tires before. That's insane. But yeah, bro, pretty sick car. He's learning how to take pictures, so we just kind of hanging out and doing that right now. So we just cruising to downtown, going to the next spot to take some pictures, bro. I know it. You hear that? Yes, sir. That shit's fucking insane, bro. Headers, so his car is basically full bolt. Well, his car is full bolt on, bro. You can definitely tell the difference in headers. So it's from what he told me, he has a boiler muffler on there, and he has stainless works long tubes. That shit fucking screams. And he has the 10-speed. Yo, like, man, this video it was supposed to take 1 day or a couple hours, and now it's taking like 2 days and some change. Keep in mind, I'm gonna be recording this over the course of like 3 days possibly, bro. It's funny, but anyway, I guess something good turned out of it, because, you know, linked up somebody, got, you know, we met some new friends, man. Met some new guys, and apparently he knows a lot of people with Mustangs as well. And I seen one of his Mustang friends, I seen one of his friends the other night at a Whataburger at like 2 a.m. Ironically, he was like, yeah, he has a matte purple Stang. I was like, bro, what the heck? I might have seen that. I asked him, did he have the white lights? He was like, yeah. I was like, yeah, I seen your mans. Yeah, but pulled up to the second spot. It's a cool little spot right here. All right, y'all, this is the next day, and I finally got some assistance, the infamous J3. So, in short, I'm gonna have him hold this up underneath the car and align these with the parts on the rear bumper. And I'm actually just gonna stick a Sharpie up in there and mark it. Then I'm gonna go up under there with the drill, the 7x32, not the 5x32, 7x32. And actually just want to drill the holes in. Then I'll have them go back up, place it under, and I'll stick the bolts in, the washers, nuts, and all of that good stuff. So finna go ahead and try to do this. All right, y'all boys, with the help of J3, we actually got everything mounted up to the car. Everything is not like super like equidistance, I would say, but you can't really notice when you're far enough away from the car, unless like really you wouldn't even know if I told you, in short. But yeah, drilling into the side fins, not really an issue. The issue comes when you're trying to put 3 of them in that middle portion. we're trying to find 3 locations to actually put the hardware in. Usually the one that's in the middle is in between like a very tough to reach place for you to like put your hand in, put the washer and the nut in there as well. But other than that, really just kind of time consuming, well, a little bit tedious. I could have done this a little bit faster, but I mean, being kind of cautious. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and lower down the car and see what it looked like. All right, y'all boys, so this is how it looks inside of the light. Not gonna lie, might actually need to add the pin striping to the other pieces because it'll just make it pop a little bit more. But I'm rocking with it. I am rocking with it. It's coming together, yo. It's crazy seeing everything. Oh, y'all also got the bubbles fixed, bro. This is crazy, really seeing everything come together. Changing those to matte. The matte black ones, remember, I got those off of eBay, and I thought it was gonna be real carbon fiber, but it was actually the carbon fiber print. As you can see, is garbage. But I'm not really too worried about this front end because I'll talk to you about my plans for the front end. You know, the roof is freaking dirty. I don't know what fell on there, but it's there. I'm gonna have to spray that off. But anywho, bro, this thing is looking nice, dirty but nice. All I need is a nice, bro. I really hate that this is here. You can't really notice it, but it's like, bro, still, yo. But if they don't respond to me, I'm not even gonna lie, I might just keep it. But I'm gonna put a nice little carbon fiber wing on here, possibly the exact same one that I got. And yo, but anywho, this shit looks fucking insane. Gotta get rid of these, but we gonna talk about that later on. Tell me what y'all boys think about this. I honestly think that it looks sick. I might, like I said, pinstripe the rest of it. If so, we'll make a part 2 to this video, and you might actually add pinstripe into the side skirts as well. But yeah, this joint looks sick, bro. I appreciate y'all boys for tuning in, bro. It's really crazy watching the build actually come together. But hey, go ahead and give me the HBO special. I ain't said in a while. Y'all know what that is. Go ahead and help a brother out. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and possibly share. Or go ahead and drop your ideas of what you would do, what you did for your build, or what you would do if you had the same car, if you have the same car, whatever. What are your plans, so I can, you know, start not stealing them, but you know, give me a little bit of creativity, because I'm not really too creative when it comes to that side. But yeah, like I said, S550 starter pack, street Aero, amazing quality. Anywho, appreciate it. I'm out. Be safe. Happy New Year.